Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. Children, let's get started for our NAVODAYA coaching class for maths. I hope you all are ready. If not, then please be ready because we are going to start with decimals. Settle down fast, dear children. Navodaya exam is very close now, so I hope the preparations are going on really well with full josh, full enthusiasm. Yeah. Okay. So let's quickly go through the decimals, the concept of decimals. I hope my screen is visible to all. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So let's start with it. Let's work out more questions on the decimals because we have already, started with it. Okay. So here 23.45 times 10. If you have to multiply the decimal number by, any like 10, 10, 100, 1000, like that. So you need to just move the decimal one place to the right. If it's 23.45, just move the decimal like because it's 10. There is one zero in number 10. So just shift the decimal one place to the right. It is 234.5. 234.5 is the answer. Okay, so that's how you do it. After that, please do this. Again, the same thing. This time you are multiplying by 10. So if you're multiplying by 10, just shift the decimal one place to the right side. If you're multiplying by 100, shift it two places to the right side. If you're multiplying by 1000, shift it three places to the right side. So you just need to see the number of zeros in the number. So as again there is 10, I'll shift it one place to the right. So now it is, I'm sorry. So 5, 6, I'll shift it one place to the right. 5674.56. Children, as you know, we are live on YouTube. Kindly make sure that you are using the live chat option to ask any questions that you have. Okay, so just let me know in the live chat box. Also, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel so that if you get you will get the regular updates about the live sessions or the videos. Yeah. All right. So let's do this. As again, here we have 1. So we will shift the decimal one place to the right hand side. We will shift it one place to the right hand side. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.56. Okay, I have shifted it one place to the right hand side. Right? We'll do the next question now. This time you have to do times 100. Times 100. Now, as it is times 100, what are you supposed to do? Just shift the decimal two places to the right. 12645.6 is your answer now. Okay? Yeah. Moving on to the next one. Again, it's times 100. What to do when it's times 100? So as it is times 100, just shift the decimal two places to the right because there are two zeros in the, in 100 now. So I've shifted the decimal 2 places to the right. Now 100.456 times 100. Do this. 100.456 times 100. I hope it's done. Okay. Oops, sorry, wait. All right. So, just hold on. Yeah, it was this 100.456 times 100. I hope it's done. So here, as it's 100, we will shift the decimal 2 places to the right. 1 and 2 will be 10045.6. Let's do the next question. This time it's times 1000. This time it is times 1000. Come on, let's do it. So as it is times 1000, we will shift the decimal 3 places to the right, because in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So 1253692, no, sorry, 9.2. It is 1253669.2. So I have shifted the decimal 3 places to the right. Okay, now over here, next question is you have to multiply it by 0.1, not only like 10, 100 or 1000, it's 0.1. So what do we do in this case? If there is any number, like here you have 125.3692 times 0.1. So in such case, you will shift the decimal 1 place to the left. As we are multiplying a decimal by decimal, it's 1 place to the left. It will be 12.53692. Okay, right? So you will shift the decimal 1 place to the left. Clear? Next one. This time it's 0.01. There we shifted only 1 place to the left because there was only 1 digit after the decimal. Okay. So for this one, here, as there are 2 digits after the decimal, so 1, 2, 1.253692. Okay. Next one. Oh, wait a second. Yeah. 456.325. 456 point z times 0.01. Yeah. So here what do you have to do is you have to shift the decimal 2 places to the left. So here 1, 2. It will be 4.56325. Okay, clear? Next one now. Here, 6.325 times 0.01. So okay, now look at this, 6.325. You have to shift the decimal two places to the left. 1, 2. Point will be here. Now see, this is the vacant space, the empty space. What I'm going to do here is I'm simply going to put a 0. It will be 0.06325. Okay? 0.06325. Yeah. Next one now. 6.325 it is. 6.325 times 0.01. So here we have to do like 3 decimal places are there, na? So 6.325, I'll shift it 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. Putting a decimal here. Now in the blank spaces, you just have to put 0. Okay, so now it is 0.00632. Okay, 0.00632. Yeah, let's do the next question. 789.236 times 0.001. I hope it's getting clear. Zero nine 789.236. Come on, everyone. So here, as there are 3 decimal places, you have to shift it 3 places to the left. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. It will be 0.789236. The next one. Here we have 4 decimal places. It's 9.123. So you have to shift this decimal 4 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here you will put a decimal. So these blank spaces will be 0. 0.0009123. Okay. Now here we have 5 decimal places. 6.23 times 0.00001. Come on. So you have to shift it how many places to the left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putting a decimal here. Now in the blank space, you have to put 0.00000. So it's 0.0000623. You can count. Here we have 2 decimal places. Here we have 5 decimal places. In a total of 7 decimal places. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, which of the following options may represent point A? Point A is being represented by which of the following options? Okay, so point A, I can see it's between 4 and 6, wherein it's more close to 6 rather than 4. Okay, so here I will take something more than 5.5 because point 0.5 is the center of 4 and 5 and 6. The center is 5.5. So what I will do is 5.8 will be my answer. 5.2 will be less than 5.5. 5.5, it's not exactly 5.5. Then 6.5, it is not falling between 6 and 7. So that's why 5.8 is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now here, next one. Come on, let's do it. So point A, this is point A. It's between 8 and 9, right? So, uh, wait, I'm sorry. Yeah, this is point A. I'm sorry. Yeah, we were talking about this. So point A is between 8 and 9. It's 8.8. 8.8. Okay. Now moving on to the next one. Okay. Here, which of the 4 options may represent point A? Here we have point A in the corner. It's between, you can see 100 and 110. So it is between 100 and 10. I think it's right in the middle. Yeah, so it is 105. 105.8 is the answer. Next one. It's between 400 and 500, but close to 400 rather than being close to 500. It's not even touching the center. So here it is 440.5. It's between 400 and 500, so 440.5. Now, moving on to the next kind of questions, which is multiplication of decimals. So here, what you have to do, like it's 80 times 5, 80 times 0.5, what you have to do is, look, 48 times 5 is, 40, and there is one decimal place, so put a decimal. First, add without the decimal. Okay, 80 times 5 is 40. Now there is one decimal place. Put a decimal, no? Wait, sorry. Because it's 0.5. So 80 times 0.5, or if I say 80 times 5, it's 400, right? And then uh, there is one decimal place, so leaving one and putting a decimal here. It's 40. Similarly, 60 times 0.5, would you do it? Then I'll tell you the trick behind it. 60 times 0.5. So here, 60 times 0.5 will give you 30. 200 times 0.5. 200 times 0.5. Okay, so here it is 100. So if you notice all these, like 100 times 0.5, it is 500. So 0.5, what is this 0.5? 0.5 is half. We also call 0.5 as half. So half of anything, like whenever we need a number or in risk or by, like how you have to do whenever a number is multiplied by 5, the result is half of the number because 0.5 means half. I hope it's clear. Okay, now moving on to the next one. You need to find out this for like 200 and 300 here. A point is somewhere in between. You need to find out what point A represents. Is it 4,400 times 0.5, 420 times 0.5, 820.5 times 0.5, or 600 times 0.5? So here you need not to actually multiply. You just can find out the half. Like half of 4,400 is 2,200. Half of 420 is two. Sorry, I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Yeah. So here, half of 420 is 210. Okay. 820 is 410.25. Yeah. Then 600 is 300. So you have to find out what is it. It is 210, option B. You first multiply and find the half and then tell the answer. Over here also you have to do the same thing. What will it be? Yeah. So 340 times, if I say 340 times 3,400 times 0.5, you need to like 340 times 0.5, it is equal to uh wait, yeah, it's 170. So here the number is representing 170. Okay. Next one, it's between 500 and 600. Your answer should be between 500 and 600. So if I talk about, if your answer is the first one, yeah, that is right, because it's 550. It's not exactly there. Yeah, and here 600, here 800. So between 500 and 600 is 550. It should be a little bit here, but yeah, okay. Now you have to find out which one is the greatest. Which is the greatest? Check all of it. You just have to, okay, so this is half. If you are doing by zero point 0.5, it's half. So it's 51. Now it's times 2, right? It's times 2. Do it. So as it's 40.5 times 2 means the double. Okay, so the double of 40 is 80. 0.5 plus 0.5 is 81. Okay, 300 times 0.1. It's 30. Next, 600 times 0.01. There are two decimal places. 1, 2, putting a decimal. 6 is the answer. Okay. So, which is the greatest of all? It's B. Option B. 40.5 times 2. Now, which is the greatest? So here, 900, yeah, 400.25. Okay, now it's 1500.0. Two decimal places should be there, so it should be 600. Which is the greatest? It's 1500.0. Wait. Oh, sorry. Wait. Yeah. The greatest. Okay, I'll just remove this. I'll correct it. Okay. Next one now. Smallest. You have to find the smallest. You have to find the smallest. So here 0.5, that means half. Yeah. 850. Yeah. Then 400.25. Okay. Then again, there is one decimal place, so it's 1500. And there are two decimal places, so it is 500. The smallest one is 400.25. 400.25, which is 800.5 times 2. Oh, wait. I'm sorry. Okay, so here, I am sorry. Here also, I did a mistake. Okay, so what happened here is, we did a mistake here. This is twice. Okay, so it's 800.5 times 2, which is 1601. So here, the greatest is, sorry, yeah, 800.5 times 2. And here, the smallest, again here, I have to do the same thing. It's 800.5 times 2. It is 1601. So the smallest here is 500. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now we will move to the next thing, that is converting fractions into decimals. How we can convert fraction into decimal? Just by dividing. Simple. 3 by 2. It's you have to divide 3 by 2. So 2 times 1 is 2 minus, you got 1. I'll put one extra 0 here and we'll bring that down, because like this I'm getting 1 as the remainder. So I'll put an extra 0 here. We'll bring that down. As soon as I put an extra 0 here, I have to put a decimal here. Okay, now it has become 10. So do you see 10 in the table of 2? Yes, of course, yes. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. That means 3 by 2 can be written as 1.5. Yeah. Next one, convert 5 by 2 into decimals. Okay, so here 5 by 2, just do this 5 divided by 2. 2 times 2 is 4, 1. I'll put an extra 0 because I want the decimal in answer, bringing it down. 2 times 5 is 10. So 5 by 2 is 2.5. Okay, 2.5. Next one, 11 by 5 to decimal. Convert 11 by 5 to decimals. Do you see 11 in the table of 5? So, no, we don't see. So, what will happen here is 5 times 2 is 10. 1 I got. I'll put an extra 0 and a decimal on top. Yeah. So, 5 times 2 is 10. This is 2.2. Okay. 2.2. 11.5 can be written as 2.2. 15 by 4 as decimals. Write down 15 by 4 as decimals. So 15 by 4, you have to divide. 4 threes are 12. 3 here, I'll put an extra 0 and a decimal. 4 sevens are 28. 2 again, I'm getting a remainder. I'll put one extra 0. So if you're putting an extra 0 later on, there is no need to put a decimal. It will happen only one time. So here it will be 5. So this is 3.75. 3.75. Okay, next one. 23 by 4. Convert 23 by 4. I'm so happy to see your answers in the chat. Very good. Vaishnavi is constantly replying. So, kudos Vaishnavi. Good job. 23 by 4. We will just divide 23 by 4. 4 fives are 20. 3 here, putting an extra 0 means putting a decimal. 4 sevens are 28. 2 here, one more 0. That doesn't mean one more decimal. Okay. 4 fives are 20. So it is 5.75. All right. Now, one last question we will do. 1 by 4 to decimal. 1 by 4 to decimal. 1 by 4 to decimal. So 4 times 0 is 0. We know that. We'll put an extra 0 and a decimal here. Bringing down 0. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, I got 2. Putting one more extra 0. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. So here I got 1 by 4 as 0.25. Okay. So yes, dear children, with this, we are done with our today's class, right? Thank you so much for joining the session. It was a lovely session with you all. Hope you understood all the things that we have done today. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, right? So yeah, that's all. I'll see you in the next class. By the time, take care, have fun, and keep practicing. Bye, everyone.